What's up, everyone? John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here, and we are taking a look at yet another of Mac OS X Lion's 250 plus new features. In the last video, we took a look at this guy, Mission Control, its new fancy expose. Now we're going to take a look at this rocket ship right next to it called LaunchPad. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we will launch LaunchPad. We'll launch the LaunchPad. We'll go ahead and click it, and you get something that looks just like iOS. All your icons show up here in what Apple calls a very quick and easy way to see them. You've got all these little dots down here that show you what page you're on. And if you hold it down, you're going to see something very familiar as well. They do that little jiggly dance, which means you can move them around. So you can say, hey, I want iMovie there, or no, iMovie belongs next to Final Cut, because they're both video programs, and they should be next to each other, and they're friends. But if that's not enough for you, you can also make folders. So I can take this, and I can drag this here, and boom! Does that look familiar to you? I bet it does. And it automatically titles it, or you can change that title, but I don't want image capture here, so let's drag that back out. I'm not going to make that into a folder. It's automatically going to show you all the folders that you have set up, so all my utilities are here. And let's go ahead and that jiggly dance is awfully annoying. All my utilities are here. Something called Solver. I'm not even sure what that is. I'm going to find out what Solver is because I don't like not knowing what's on my computer. You can see all your applications sort of show up as you scroll. You can use the arrows too to scroll from screen to screen. See all my ton of Windows programs I have in Parallels, which I don't really use that much anymore, but I like to have it. So you can see all this goodness. It's pretty simple. It's essentially like looking at the applications list in iOS. I'm not entirely sure how much I would ever use this on a desktop, but if it's your cup of tea, then hey, here's your steaming Earl Grey, or maybe you like orange. And they've got a choice to have that too. I doubt that I am ever going to use LaunchPad. Are you guys going to use it? I'd like to hear down below. It seems unnecessary to me. Perhaps if I wasn't using a desktop, maybe I had a laptop and I could just use some gestures to launch it, it might be handy. But otherwise, I'm just going to use this dock thing down here. It's much easier. So this is LaunchPad. Wants to give you guys a quick tour, and now I'm getting all rambly because I was up early. I'm John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.